Hi there, students. Go-to guy. In this video, I want to look at go-to as an adjective. Yeah, I think probably this is going to have a hyphen as well. It's going to be hyphenated. So if you've got a problem to solve, he is your go-to guy. Yeah, this is a reliable place. Yeah, a person or a thing that can be relied on to give you a solution, to find what you need. So if you need unusual cooking ingredients, this is your go-to shop. Yeah, this is the shop that you will resolve your problems. So go-to, this is something that you can rely on, something that's regularly turned to for expert knowledge. So he's the company's go-to guy on computer problems. Okay, something go-to, regularly or repeatedly chosen. So if you're going to make a pizza, then mozzarella is your go-to cheese. But there are lots of other interesting alternatives as well. A tennis player, maybe he has a go-to shot. The forehand drive is his go-to shot. This is the shot that he uses, that he regularly relies on to win matches, to be successful. Yeah. If you want to buy something in internet and you can't find it, unfortunately probably Amazon is your go-to site. Yeah, this is the place that is normally chosen or used for reliably good results. Yeah. Okay, so go-to, this is the place where you go to that place because that's where you're going to get it. Okay, and this is the idea of go-to. A go-to person, a go-to guy, extremely dependable. I guess the Oxford Street is the go-to place to do your Christmas shopping. Yeah. If you want, I don't know, sun, sea and sand, then the south of Spain is a go-to place. Yeah, or the Mediterranean is your go-to destination. Yeah, a place that is popularly visited. Yeah, so go-to, it has this idea of regularly chosen. Yeah. Okay, he went to the restaurant and he ordered his go-to meal, the thing that he always ordered. He wasn't very adventurous. Yeah, he ordered his go-to breakfast, the same one as ever. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, in a bar, somebody asks for a whiskey and soda. A barman will have his go-to whiskey, the one that he chooses to serve people. Or doctors will have certain go-to medicines to resolve certain problems or certain situations. If you need inspiration in English or help in English, I Swear English is your go-to site. Yeah, this is your the go-to place where you will find everything that you need. Okay, so this is the idea of go-to. As to formality, I think go-to, I'm going to give it a 3.5 in formality. Definitely use it informally. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, but semi-formal writing, Maybe it's a bit informal though. I think maybe you could use it. And definitely nothing very formal. Definitely on the informal side. And the origin, well, this is where you go to for your solution. It's where you go to because you know you're going to be successful. You're going to get something that you want. Yeah, so go to, the place where you normally go in order to achieve reliable results. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. He's your go-to guy.